Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Kia Sedona, and on this Sedona we're going to go over how you would check and add oil to your vehicle. So this is the dipstick for checking the oil. So we're going to pull it up on we want to have our vehicle on a decently level surface. Remove the dipstick, wipe it clean, and then put it back in, and now we pull it back up and to see where we're at. And we want to see that our oil, there are two dots on here, and we want to make sure that our oil is in between those two dots and we are right at the top full. So as long as this is the high and the low, as long as we're within that operating range, that's where we want to be in this. And so that's how you check the oil. And we want it within that operating range. If you're on the bottom dot, it's generally a quart to bring it up to the top dot. So then you just replace your dipstick and put it back in there. Now, if you needed to add oil, this is the cap to do that. It's got the little oil symbol on it, and it says that it takes 5W30. So you twist this to the counterclockwise to remove. You would put the oil in here, use a funnel if needed, so you don't spill oil all over your engine. And then you just put the cap back on, tighten it until it clicks, and that's how you would add oil, check and add oil in your 2016 Kia Sedona. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.